Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to today's vlog. I have a special, and guys, I thank God for the gift of life. Anyway guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. So this is the river here, and this water is running from here up to River Migori and then to Lake Victoria, the largest lake in Africa. This is water that you see here. And actually guys, on my today's videos, I'm going to surprise my mama, so she doesn't have clue what is going on, guys. Sorry. So I'm sitting here and on these stones here enjoying. Anyway guys, in case you're new here and you haven't subscribed, guys, please subscribe. So I'm just like enjoying this nature from here. See how water is running going up to Darway, and you try to imagine I left my bike on the road on the other side. We have the bridge on the other side, and man, here we can sit like this enjoying. Like no scared, guys, you know. This is the beautiful nature that we have here, and wow, I think guys I could open the shot enjoying. I'm telling you. Yes, okay, I packed my shirt here. Oh, because wind is going, I put the stone. These are small stones here. I'm telling you guys, outside there it's hot, and today I decided, you know what, let me come on this beautiful river here enjoying, guys. Here you can see how water is running, man. And it's hectic to cross, you know. Look, I mean, not shoes, guys, no shoes. I left my shoes on other side because I realized some stones inside are slippery and then other side are deep, you know. So you must be very crossing the river like this, like carefully, guys. Wow, man. At this moment I'm going to surprise my African mom with a new project. We have already get water. We thank God for the gift of life. We thank God for everything, man. Imagine within 3 to 4 days we get water. So I can't wait to see my mom's reaction after surprising her with a borehole, man. It's a long time. Well guys, me, I'm sitting here enjoying, man, the beautiful sceneries. We have like cold shade here. You can see, man, even inside there we have stones, man. And I wonder how these trees like keep growing. We have green leaves and it's like growing inside the stones, man. You can see these stones here, stones right there, man. It's going like that one is a big stones there, man. It's crazy here. This is my shot, and I keep showing you amazing view from here. Actually guys, in case you're new here, please guys, subscribe, like, comment, and let me know in the comment section, guys, what do you think about on today's videos. But my last videos I was showing you the waterfall, and today I'm showing you, man, like how water is flowing, like running, man. Look, it's stones. When you cross, you made a mistake, you will knock the head. Look, it's a bigger stones. And this river, when it's raining, you can't pass here, you can't sit here. Imagine the water with like poo, running. You can see even the polythene paper, clothes, you know what is passing there. What a crazy thing when water found you here, like it's raining season. Even it can jump over on other side on the land. Imagine, guys. So I came here during summer season, so that's the reason why I sit here within here. So when it's raining, man, I can't try to come here, even sitting here. Imagine, you see how water is flowing and left some clothes. Look, the remaining clothes, even bottle, you can't tell. Well guys, as you keep enjoying this vlog, so right now let me wear my shirt as I keep vlogging, man. I'm telling you, oh my god, the water is running like This is your son, Hello Baby Official. I'm just flowing vibe to the end. Actually, all my videos, it's surprise construction, you know. Me, I'm the guy who loves construction, man. Crazy. Because here it's warm. I'm telling you. Like I'm freezing because of this shade here. Wow. Man, I'm telling you, my body's freezing. Anyway, guys, let me wear my shirt. Oh my God. Wow, guys, because here it's freezing, guys. Let me wear my shirt, and as I keep showing you guys, sometime things went wrong. Guys, when you came to Africa one day, just like in my village, just tell me, hello baby, take me to the waterfall, take me to the river that will shoot the videos. A river like this, I'll take you around, man, as you enjoy. Wow, imagine I sit here at the middle of the river. Actually, on the other side we have the tarmac road. I left my bike on the top of the bridge. Like, I think I see the bridge other side. That's why I left my bike. As I keep shooting this video here to watch my videos. Like to watch my bike, not videos, guys. Wow. Even here, I can wash my leg. I sit here. Wow. Oh my God. Here you can wash your leg, man. I'm telling you. 100% it's clean water. Because it's not stuck here. Like stagnant water. I'm telling you. Village life. Wow. I'm trying to look at small stones right here. Actually, like to scratch my leg. I'm telling you. I'm sharing with you this story here. As I watch the water, how it's running, you know. Oh my God. Let me tell you one thing, guys. If I could, oh, somebody knocking the car about there. And then, let me tell you one thing, guys. If I could stay within here, maybe it's my home, for example, when there's no need maybe to dig the borehole. Here is to put the generator, pumping water, going to the house. You know, if maybe I want to do construction, when, for example, here it's my home, if like harvesting sand here, water, my work is to buy only stones and cement and labor money. But it's far away from my home, actually, so I'm just within here. So guys, as you keep enjoying my video, let me wash my leg. I'm showing you guys these things. These are small stones. Actually, I'm scratching like, oh, in local way, you know. Wow. And on the other side, I see some boys grazing the cow. The thing on the other side, you know. So that's the village lifestyle, man. So this one I have already completed. Like, oh my God. It's crazy. I left my shoes there. I don't know, maybe somebody can steal my shoes, but it's okay. All in way. Wow. That one, it's okay. I came on this leg. Imagine. I'm showing you guys these things, how we normally do in our village. And I remember, I'm going to surprise my mama. I can't wait, guys. We officially launch our water from the borehole today. Imagine. Wow. Okay, I keep it here, that stones. Hey. crazy situation, like tricky situation. Washing my leg here, enjoying the vibe. Look at the back. Wow, maybe I think I could go on other side to show you how it looks like. Oh my god, I touch it here. As you keep look. Wow. As I keep showing you on the other side. Look, what is going like. Oh man, oh my god. I see even the remaining like toothbrush. I'm telling you, water is flowing, carrying everything. Wow. Let me go and show you there. Like, this is what is going there, and then take a U-turn going that way. I see my motorbike there, even a young boy. Wow. So here, you must be very careful. Oh. Wow. You see, guys? You see? The remaining brush right here. I'm telling you. Even birds staying here. You can see the house for the birds. Like, we call nests. Nest. This is the house for the birds. It's laying here and then jump. Actually, this is the main door. Wow, look. I keep showing you, man. So I want to go on the other side. So see, look, like I'm an army holding here to be strong. Wow. Yeah. Oh my god. And then jumping here. I was coming from other side. We can't imagine, guys. Look. And guys, sorry for interruption of water. Maybe when water is making noise, sorry for that. Please flow the vibe, enjoy the beautiful sceneries. You can see how water is running, man. Imagine. I think other places are like totally desert, but in our village here you see green stuff, green trees, you know, like you have water, stones. Man, other side of the world are totally dry. So you will see how I'm going there. Like, oh my god. I must touch here to be strong. As we're going. Actually, guys, I was sitting here. So I left this place, going back. Look. Wow, wow, wow. We have another stones here. Even I can sit here, guys. These are small stones. Don't mind, guys. Actually, this is my rope, like for my camera handles. So when I do like this, when I'm vlogging, especially in town, in street, nobody can like snatch my camera. So as we keep going. But here, I'm in my village, sitting on this, like, oh my god, on these small stones here. So guys, let me go, because time is running like crazy. Wow. I'm totally messed, guys. Oh my god. Woo. So I walk here. Guys, anyway, guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. And in case you are new here, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share. Enjoy the vibe. Enjoy the vlog till the end, and also enjoy the vibe, man. I'm telling you, giving you best quality. Let me show you, guys. I'm walking here. Oh, look how these stones looks like maroon. Oh my god, look. What is running, man? I tried to imagine I was coming on the other side. Look at the bigger stones. We have another one right here. You will see, guys, how I'm struggling to cross the river on the other side, going like that way up to the main road. Let's go. Wow. Oh man, I left my shoes here. Try to imagine, this is my shoes and I was going on the other side. Wow. Wow, man. So try to imagine how we cross the river and the water is running, man. What? Something else. Bra, anaona hatami? Hapa ni parefu. Unapitaga wapi? Wapi? Penye nimetoka huko. I'm asking one of the guy right there. Because look, guys, we have free stones. You can camp here during summer season, enjoying the view. But all in well, wow. Oh my God. You need to take a shower. Oh. Woo. That crazy situation. Guys, I do like this. I wanna cross the river. Oh my God. What I do is to hold my shoes because water, it has a lot of force, guys. To be honest, look. Woo. Oh, imagine from there. I'm telling you, when it's rain season, guys, you can't pass here, even crossing to other side. Wow. And keep going. Oh. Yes. Woo. I'm enjoying, guys, this slide. I'm trying to cross to other side. Look. Alright, step here. Guys, I'm struggling passing here. Oh my God. I think here. Woo. No, guys. I managed cross there. Wow. I found another stones here. Guys, imagine I'm struggling to cross it here because it's something else. Oh my God. Oh. Wow. Finally, I managed. That is all my struggle. Wow, guys. So I need to wash my face, and it's according to our culture. When you came to the river that is flowing like this, you wash your face as you go. I'm telling you, oh my God. Woo. It's a clean water, look. Eti naosha uso mikosi iende na maji. Like I'm washing my face, all curses and blameless running with water. Hello, baby official here. Imagine, guys, sorry, I didn't come with my helmet, but you know, I was walking around through the village looking amazing view like this, and finally I get it. But sorry guys, I didn't have the helmet. Forgive me only today. Look. Well guys, it's time to go. I left this beautiful place. Maybe you're watching this video for the first time and you want me to come here again, please let me know. Let me know. So, but in summer season, winter, I didn't come here. I'm telling you. Try to imagine when it's raining season, what is running up to other side? Cover. This one is full of water. When you be find here by yourself, you want to explain it. So, I want to pass it here. Wow. You think it's a joke, but I'm telling you the reality. Imagine what is coming up this side here. So it's time to go back and take my bike. Wow. So let me confirm the time right now. It's 14:20 p.m. my local time. Actually, these videos you will get from a premiere again, but it depends maybe which time. Wow. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Bora. Okay, there's another stones right here. Imagine. Look. Try to imagine I was coming from other side, going around. So right now, I'm keep going. Wow. Look the beautiful stones, man. Stay on each other. Each other. Wow. And it's totally black. You think that people came here to paint? No, man. It's because of water. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow, guys. Imagine I was like coming other side, going around, and then finally I'm going to see my bike, because at that time I'm scared to left my bike on the road, but all in well I'm just struggling. Try to imagine people have sand from there, put here, and then start like carrying from the basin or bucket to other side. Even the land, it's like compressing, going down like poof. You can't tell. Look, there's a napier grass here. There's a millet over there. Look how the land is cracking, man. Something else. Wow. Probably, let's go. Hey, this place has a beautiful stones ever. Try to imagine. Look, beautiful stones ever. Wow. During back years, this road, when it's raining time, it's not passable, but right now people build like the bridge right here. Not like, actually this is a bridge right here, and I left my bike there. So this amazing bridge that we have here, I don't want to go deep inside there because it's deep. Look, this is how African bridge looks like. It has like 3 outlets when what is coming from other side, because like passing there and then here. Wow. Hey, and then here. Wow. I don't want to step there because it's deep. Anyway guys, let me go, and heading to another side, going to surprise my mama with a clean water from the borehole, you know. So we're going to launch and fetching some quite a number of the bucket of water, and then we'll see, guys. This is like, it's to avoid like gabion erosion, you know. These are wire mesh, stones inside, and in fact I left the place like when maybe water tried to enter inside, you have like an empty occupied space, like here, water could maybe passable, and then left the stones there. Look, like to prevent the bridge, like not like getting compressing to other side. So guys, it's time to go. Wow, it's time to go. Like I'm heading this way. I'm a ninja. Look here. Oh my god. Okay, I'm holding here. I don't want to fall down. Wow, from there heading this way, something else. But oh my god, we tried to manage it. It's because of this bridge here. When you go to some like 300 meter, like 100 meter, you have the tarmac road there, and then like 300 meter going other side, we have the tarmac road. Actually, I will show you. This is the bridge right here. You can see it's wide bridge, and this like, oh my god, metal. In fact, when it's raining here, water could easily pass on this pipe. You see here, this is a pipe. You have another one right here going. So here maybe, when maybe the car is passing there, like have maybe like the movement of car here and there, people could be easily pass it here. And then this metal here, it's like putting here to prevent maybe car going to other side. These are called a carabat. When I'm on other side over there, I had the kids knocking here, like I think that they tried to knock my bike, but it's this metal stuff here. Wow. So right now I left this beautiful place. Actually guys, it's time to go back home. This is my bike here. I left, you know, but somehow I'm scared, so I put here the key. Imagine I'm locking the steering. Wow. Oh my god. So it's time to go. Actually, I'm heading home right now. I'm going to surprise my African mom with a clean water from the borehole. So this is the Muram Road here. After 100 meter apart from here where I am, you will see the tarmac road, guys. Just a minute. Look how it's coming. Wow, boom. This is the tarmac road. Up to the Nyabuhanse. Oh. Guys, to be honest, one day I will become a world traveler with a motorbike. Let me settle down, finish my mom's dream house first, and then I will organize myself. I will never travel with this bike. This one is a small one, you know. It can go like, this one it can't go like 400 kilometers. I need a sport bike maybe in future, not now guys. Wow. See guys, how everything is. Wow. Oh. This is another village, guys. Beautiful scenery. Oh. So we're heading home. We go straight. And then we pass another village known as Nyankore. After Nyankore, Gitirima's place or village, and then boom to Nyabuhanse. Wow. And first thing, I'll pass to Dave Junior Construction as I keep going home, you know. So right now, let's go. Right there, there's a church, right there. And I'm shoot this video on Sunday noon time. Actually it's 2 p.m. my local time here. So for my premiere again, you will get the videos, don't worry. I need to go slowly. As I keep showing you, we have stones right here. We have like excavator for the construction of the road. Look outside. Wow. Drop the sweet comments. What do you think about on today's videos? Actually, I'm in my motorbike right now. Wow. Driving at my own pace. See guys, this is another beautiful village. Homestead, how it looks like at this back of the village. Wow, man, I'm trying to explore so many different villages. On my last video, I think this week I was in Waterfall. Right now I was explore to show you another village with another beautiful running river. Actually that river, it's connected to River Migol and then go to Lake Victoria, our largest lake in Africa. Wow. So I'm share with you my story from Africa, especially in my village, as we go. Guys, to be honest, every month, it's by God's grace, I will make some steps, some changes in my home. Right now, I decided to dig the borehole, or to construct the borehole, man. Right there, that's the napier grass. And purely, this village people are farmers. I'm telling you. Let's go. Wow. Kids are struggling with the cow right there. We have a new hospital right here. Let me show you. This is a new hospital right here. That right there, there's a public school. We have like a primary school and secondary school right there. Wow, let's go. I'm going at my own pace, no pressure on that. And on the other side you have the hospital, like a public hospital, I think so. This one right here, it's a hospital. Let's go. Wow. Every village we must have the health care, you know. Wow, guys, sorry for the windy, and you understand right now, maybe you have, maybe say less than 3 weeks to approach the rain, like to approach winter season. Wow. People are building, man. People are building, investment right there. Let's go. I'm passing to a small village or market known as Nyankore as we keep going. I'm telling you guys, right now I'm in Nyankore. You will see the paths, other parts. You have the bumps here. Oh my gosh. There's a small market here. Oh my god. Oh, let's go. So guys, the other side of the market. That one there. Wow. Guys, I don't like to to vlog too much on the road, but probably when I reach at Nyabohansi, I will show you. Wow. Anyway guys, so right now I'm in Nyabohansi. I'm telling you right now. Oh my god, this is how Nyabohansi looks like. Actually, I'm heading to the construction right now, and then I'm going to go back home. I'm telling you right now. Oh my god. Right here. Boga. Oh guys, I'm coming to the construction fast. Wow. I'm telling you guys, I came to see the work as we keep going. So guys, this is how Nyabohansi looks like. Anyway guys, in case you're new here, welcome to the Venus Construction. That being said, I'm a supervisor at the same time I'm a manager. So come along with me. I must see whether the peel have been cured. Curing what? Kwamboka!
Yes.
How
How are you?
I'm good.
Are you fine?
Yeah.
Yes, even I'm fine.
Have you already started curing?
Ndio naendelea.
Tuende kuchota maji. Yeah guys, let me confirm Kwamboka. So right now it's time to curing the pillars. So and then guys, I'll keep showing you the work that's going on there. Form work we have already ended. So right now is to arrange like some timbers. Haya Kwamboka. Kana nero how what happens? What? Siapa kwa Dangote? Ima kina kama futi ngapi kile? 15 20 25 tatu nikiona kikaya 41.
Yani naona ni tatu hapo hivi.
Yes, this is how market looks like. Nyabohansi market. So soon we'll boom to other side. Pone yangu ati micheki kwamba.
Tante micheki hapa. Piga cheki kitu.
Pienso que acá como boss in that. Não de taraj. Hey. Arai humo Nairobi. Kwani iga wichui?
Punguza disco.
Taya. Ati ongeza kankuru. Tema negación momento okora.
Vale, un momento.
I'm helping Kwamboka. Pano ora mawotora ngana ni job. Oh guys, I hold water here. So we're going to curing the pillars. Oh my god. Something heavy. Wow. Hey, I think Kwamboka have already helped you.
Yes.
So take.
You know, ma?
Yeah? Yeah? So it's time to curing this pillar. So I came to check how everything goes. And remember, on my videos, it's surprising my mom. right now. I can't wait to see my mom's reaction. How she reacts to a new borehole getting hot. Wow. See guys, can I go to the Kasuku? Yeah, it's time to curing the pillars.
Yes.
Like I need pillar.
Ini hano no budiri ne mali anavulikuye.
You see guys?
Ndagete viga. Bilia.
Because the work. Chindo ibere chira kupirili.
Emo. Chindowa.
Sara sina ngapi waso.
Chindowa ibere. Emo. Era hono rich piribe.
Oh guys, this is the staircase right here. You can see. So let me see the mess on top. Uncle. Small kunyosha.
Small kungi hano. To serembe on Sunday.
Bohen. Hey, guys. Oh guys, sorry, in a construction you must have like language barrier. Oh my god.
Panda.
No. I'm struggling like a monkey. Here. Mepiga hii msumari. Yeah. Vile nimesumbua kupanda hivi. Vile nimesumbua kupanda. Acha kwanza nije hapo. Mimi nimesumbua kupanda. Oh my god. Struggling like a monkey here. Oh. This is the beam. Like it's going like woo, and then woo. Whoa. This is how Nyabuhanse looks like. Right now it's strong. You know, from work, it's something else. Ongea na simu kwanza.
Anyaga hapo wewe. Wezi angusha.
Ndio maisha ni matamu.
Kabisa. I know.
Introduce yourself.
I'm King Charles Kirioba, 254. That's my YouTube channel. So if you can subscribe, watch, and even share. Support me.
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
How about your YouTube channel? How it takes you?
It's growing. It's growing gradually.
Since you came here, it's growing. You just make videos. Sijaona ukipost video.
Nimepost. Post mbili. Labda
hujaona. Huyu ndo anaona akipost. Ewe.
Nimepost mbili. Hujaona
labda short.
Hujaona short.
Short. Si wake video nikatana.
Hapa ndio sijapost.
Yes guys, I'm telling him. Just put 5 minutes. It's okay.
5 minutes?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. And you? Guys, look. There is an empty. Pale patabaki hivi. Kwa hivyo ghorofa inakuja hivi.
Slab ita.
Kana ni slab gani hii?
Kama.
Ama hii pili inashikana na ile? Hii ni balcony. Sasa balcony si itakuja kubidi isemu wakati. Hiyo mau.
Kwa compound yetu hapo.
Ile slab hizo pia nani chuma zitaachana hivi. Zihang. Alafu yende shike huko. Okay. Black Mamba. Sasa angele karibu. Kabla mzaji.
The blackest person, even hello baby, you are brown enough.
Me, I'm a black, guys.
No, you are brown.
I'm black.
Hello guys, this is Black Mamba. But recent I'm going to change to Black Mamba in 14 days. But right now I'm Geo Visio.
Again.
And my YouTube account has not changed to Black Mamba.
Itabadilika tu.
Oh. So this is Black Mamba working on the Pina construction site. Hello baby, my best friend, my mentor to YouTube. I'm happy to see you here. So what I'm gonna ask you to tell your fans to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Black Mamba.
Okay.
I will enjoy, and you can even ask me any question. I'm
Okay.
ready to answer you.
Me
But
and
right
the-
now here, I'm just this plumb bob. Whether it can reach down here, can you show them? You know this what?
Mason plum no.
It's a plumb bob.
For Mason.
Yeah, formation. So I want to confirm that this wall is a perpendicular
Straight.
straight. You wanna see? Our wall will be reaching that point.
Because how?
Yeah, it's okay.
Hiya.
Black Mamba.
Yes. Sawa is a Swahili word, it means okay. Mimi naenda nyumbani, natoka mbali sana. Eh. Bado. Babu leo umebadilika. Kwa unafanya theater. Yeah guys, I'm asking him the way I like a green overall. Like somebody who do a job in theater office. Unafanya theater? Isn't it? For theater.
No, not the theater. These are for farmers, workmen like this. And here.
Why don't you have a helmet for protection? Already have a another protective gear.
But it is very hot.
It's hot.
It's very,
Yeah
very
guys, right now it's summer season here. Actually, enjoy this video to the end. Wow guys. So we shall meet at home guys. Guys, I'm back home from construction. So right now, I want to see my mama, and then like not like to launch this water officially. You know, we haven't used them since we get water. So right now, I have my sister say hello.
Hello,
Yes, you good?
I'm fine.
You fine?
You good?
Yeah, you good. Vice versa. Mama ko wapi?
Akuko ndani kwa mitana pia ng'ombe rusiaga.
Yeah, I'm asking. My mama, she was inside. She told me my mama went on the other side to give cow water, napier grass. So guys, I can't wait to see my mom's reaction. So let me pull up there right now. That's my baby right here. This is the borehole here. Okay, yeah, we have the baby calf right here. Yeah, so my sister gave me some instruction, like going straight and then to that trees on the other side. Wow. Oh man, this is another reaction for my mama. Let's see. I'm telling you, my mom, she was a hard-working mom. In fact, I love the way she was working so hard. And sometimes, man, I need to surprise my mama. Like each and every minute, each and every second, it's surprising my mama. Here and there, right, left, center. Wow. So she was feeding cows here, inside here, giving them napier grass, water. That's the things that we haven't here. And I look another place where we can plant napier grass. Am I on here? Wow, this is a file here. You see how cows have been feeded napier grass right here? It's enjoying. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Eh.
So today, Mama want to surprise you with the water officially. We launched the borehole officially, and then maybe from Wednesday to Thursday is to work on it, like plastering, putting bricks, door and everything. So right now tunaenda kuchota maji. Yeah, I'm thinking right now we're going to fetch water official on the borehole. Yeah. All my videos, it's all about surprising my family and some project here and they're like construction, you know. Wow. Yeah, Ndima.
I'm a servant here.
You're a servant.
Hey,
Ano children, tai Rusia.
ni talk English.
Rusia or
Rusiaga.
Mama imbona ra cheto.
Yeah,
Hey go har.
I want to talk with
Oh monta ko sakore. Adiusia ga mitu mama sim. Hani imbona ra to araki. Yeah guys. So let's Mama twende. Twende means mama let's go. Twende za Swahili word. Tutaya. Wow. Bwana umependelea hii mmeipatia Rusiaga yenyewe.
Kujande kulisha, kujande kulisha. Lakini makosa ndio kumbe yonsi.
Hapa dawa ndio hii. Ada eating the stuff from banana. Ada eating nature grass. That crazy thing. Yani unaona ni wala tema.
I'm a servant. I'm want to talk with you.
Eno ni yao.
I love it already.
Okay. So guys, I was telling my mama when it's raining season, we're supposed to look for the volunteer or other guy who need money and work so he can dig and plant napier grass. We need more napier grass because man, we have cows. Wow. Yeah. It's a happy moment, guys, ever. Surprise my mama. I can't wait. Today's on Sunday and it's another amazing day. That's my biological mother. I'm telling you, that's my real mom. I love her so much. This is my home right here. Okay, mama, utaleta ndoa mbili. Yes, even me today I want to launch that water to wash my body. Mtorakora usafi choo. Sasa siko pen. Mama, bring ndoo mama. I'm telling my mama bring the bucket. So I saw in my yesterday videos one of my fans telling me like I want to see you fetching water from the borehole. Actually, I done on my part. I left my mama to enjoy. Why not? Why not, guys? So soon I'm going to buy a rope like this one, and then we have a container. So this is for my grandma. I don't like to disturb people. Imagine you have the borehole here, but you know what? I decided like okay, let's my mama have its own borehole. And of course, kuku nyaboni zitoke hapo zishamsha. So guys, you see me pull up here, fetching water alone. Ambia mama sasa sitafanya hiyo amke. Alright, I need to tie it here. Yeah, I tightened there. So, man, you'll see me fetching water inside here. Okay, let me take this. Yeah.
Very angry. I want to get something to me.
Man, we have full of water. Oh, man. I think you can see water deep. That is water, man. Wow, it's by God's grace. I'm telling you guys, I'm not perfect. I'm not a professor, but it's by God's grace we get water on the ground. Imagine 4 days, the guy who are serious, we get water. So by tomorrow they will come for the advance. When they are really completed this stuff, I give them 5,000. But on Monday they will come for the advance, and then I'll see when I will complete. Okay, man. Okay. Acha nivute mama, njoo simame hapa. Hapa hivi mama. Kamera nyuma ya. Igo, kana kukankana mode, kamude. Igo. Oh guys, let me launch this water. It's by God's grace we get clean water from here. So after this we're going to clean toilets and all stuff. Oh my God.
Show your mom.
Eh?
Mario Gonfang.
Buy it. It's clean water. Oh my God. Tamarika kondoa ndani. Ndani kabisa. Kondoa ndani. Guys, I'm struggling with my mama. Mama, tell me how you the camera what the horns. Guys, please, mama, do like this. Do what temper came, do what I think hard. You go. Guys, sorry I'm struggling with my mama, but I'm showing her how to hold the camera. Sometimes when I release my mama to fetch water, people complain. Oh, hello baby, blah, blah, blah. Taraga isa. Amon kana kona kandu mukimate guan kengi nus.
Kone kanuru pa.
It's cold, guys. By God's grace. It's happened, it's happened.
Churi jitisi.
Yani churi.
Dai churi muisa.
After I do better, him. Okay, mama. Guys, I was having with my mama. What's your feeling, mama? Tuna maji hapa. Unajisikiaje?
Furaha. Ni furaha nasikia kupata maji. Kwa nimejitisa ndo nimechoka.
What my mama she tried to mean, she feel good. We get water within our compound, and back years, like she put this bucket on the head over 20 years. She feels so tired, but right now I said, Mama, you know what? Let's enjoy. Okay, Mama, be here. Ayombe hivyo. Kana no yango kore very hivyo. Come on. I take a cement.
Maraba ndio ngara acha gayo.
Nene baberekera barusi.
Chota manche gayo sile muyungu pane no mugo.
Ega?
Manche gayo na mari ba mu.
Yokuuse na hato baba. Tara mtekere ichibigini yemo. Tara ichibigini kere ndani.
Watu kama urusili ni bere chale ko sera sasa mani wara kaiki. Utira gali.
I'm telling you. Guys, I'm happy. What about you? Me and my mom, we are happy. What about you guys? I'm a man of God. Emmanuel means God with us. Guys, subscribe, guys. Soon, I'll share with you 7K subscribers. Karigani channel tu kuheka. Babu. No more. Bahagaririk.
Tokuma kawansu kurika. Katanga ka ichon.
Ndano karari kimena karari.
Eh,
Ndano matamu.
kana tigo chung kunchi tang.
Anyway, guys. So guys, I don't want to make like showing you too much fishing water. So this is what we have here, and it's clean water. We have a lot of water inside there, man. Wow. Drop the sweet comment. Probably it's by God's grace. So mom, I think okay, we use this one going to the toilet, making some cleanness, guys. So stay tuned. My mama tried to come. Huh? Guys, you're heading to the toilet. Want to make some matara cleanness. Njoo toa hizi vikopo hapa. Niombe mso mnacheza karibu na choo. Toa hapa. Yeah. Wow. So me, I'm a lover of the pure white stuff. Here, I think by tomorrow or Tuesday, I will paint. You know. Lakini ngore rangi rasa ya makuta. Yeah? Yeah. Oh guys, you see, we want to make cleanness here, right here. Enda, Ebony, guys, I'm calling my sister. Come. Endo mwambie, ile jacket yenye kwa mlango Irungu, kwa mfuko wa kwanza hivi, karibu na mlango hapo ukiingia. Atoa ufungua kupatia nyuko na kachuma tufungulie hapo. Yeah guys, I'm sending my sister to bring the keys. Sasa you want to change in a month. Pono soki. Ukiratore hamamu. Okay. Oh guys. First, you just wanna put like that way. And then mama, you do like this. Wow. So actually guys, I want to open this toilet right here and see how our days go. Wow. This is the bathroom right here. Also, this is the toilet. Actually, we officially open up because right now we get water, so we need to make cleanness inside here. By the time being, we share with you this story. Hey. Nento no ngotemekire homo kono eh. Ngotemekiri ruhuru. Kuma ilikuwa. Roni chwenye na muguchi. Well guys, after a few minutes, Kimbia. Yeah, I'm telling my sister Kimbia is run so quick. So I need to open that one there. Soon. Yeah. Okay, thank you. You go and play. Wow. So officially, we opened this toilet right here. Wow. And then you can see, guys. So we want to make some thorough cleanness inside here. But probably we didn't use this toilet, so there's no need like to clean the wall. So it's only down here. You can't because it's not used. So that's the reason why you had some maybe dust down. Wow. So let me open here again. Oh my God. This is another bathroom right here. You see, guys. Something else. This is my paints right here. Kujia hii. Okay. Thank you kiko veko hana. Haki ya rangi. Wow. Until my sister gone and pereka uweke huko kwa. Unajua kwa hiki nyumba ya kuku kuna zingine weke pale. Yeah. Guys, I need to show you. Keno tiko naenda. Keno, nenoto pekere mora. Banguse home. Tachiro hai. Wow guys, let me start here. It's a long time, man. And then supposed to launch this toilet officially. Guys, through you, I managed to put this kind of toilet in my village here, right here. Wow. So Mama right there outside cleaning. Anyway guys, we shall meet when I'm doing some darkness inside here, guys. So stay tuned. Well guys, I'm doing here. My mama, she was right there, going to other side. Can you go talk more endo? Yeah guys, I'm doing here, you know, to make sure everything it's good, well clean, because these are pure white tiles here. These are pure white tiles. Guys, through you, we build these toilets. It's by God's grace. You're really supporting me a lot. Wow. See guys, even right here, it's something else. Wow. We have this like powder soap right here. Let's massage it. Skili massage. We do it, guys, in local way. Then mama, yeah, guys, me I'm trying to wipe this side here because it's something else. Since I do some cleanness here, even I didn't remember when is my last day to do it here. You can see. Oh my God. Wow. You can see even right here. See, guys, the advantage to put tiles in front, like inside here, the work is to wipe. See, guys, rather than maybe applying paint here and there. Hey, that's my African mom. She was helpful to me a lot. Well, guys, as you keep explore, wow, look, our work is. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for the love and support. We shall meet on tomorrow's videos. It depends which kind of the video that I'm going to make by tomorrow. It's by God's grace. So right now I'm ending my video here. So that's my mama. We're just working inside here. So guys, thank you so much. May God bless you. So anyway, guys, let's meet tomorrow, guys. As we keep showing you guys. So guys, bye.